Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. I've got a Temu haul to show you guys today. This is filled with goodies. So everything I picked out, so Temu sent me these items. I want to also mention there's a code to use for additional 30% off your purchase for new users only, and that includes free shipping. The code is going to be SALE4959. Again, it's SALE4959. And I'll go ahead and include that in my description box below. Also, if you're new to Temu, they have an app as well as a website. So it's easy to shop on your phone or, on the website. Okay, so let's get started, you guys. There's a lot to show you here. I'm gonna put this box down so we can, I can start showing you what I got in here. Let's start with this blanket, you guys. This is a glow in the dark blanket. And I'm like, I have to have this. This is $10.79. What I'll do is I will put a video somewhere where I'm talking here. So I'm gonna actually put it in the complete darkness so you guys can see what it looks like lit up. And I love glow in the dark. Like this kind of stuff. I think it's so much fun. So I'm gonna open this up and show you what it looks like, you guys. Here it is, you guys. Oh, how cute is it? The blue. I love the blue. I got this for my son. Thought this was so cute. Okay, so look at the dinosaurs. Oh my gosh, so cute, you guys. Again, I'll put a video in here somewhere of it glowing in the dark. And I mean, it is really cute and it's soft, you guys. The thing about Temu blankets, I've gotten so many from Temu because I love blankets. I wash them all the time because I wash my blankets a lot. Like I just like to wash my blankets. I only like to use my blankets like once or twice and then I wash them. That's just the way I am. So, but they do wash really, really well. So here I'm gonna stand up and show you all the little dinos on it. Isn't that so cute? And you can see how soft, I mean, you can see the material, super plush. Okay, so I didn't just get one glow in the dark blanket, I ordered 3. Yeah, because I love this idea, I think it's so cute. So this one has butterflies all over it, you guys, and this one's $14.37. Purple with little butterflies flying all around it, so cute. Yeah, again, I'm really excited about this one as well. I haven't opened this. Again, I'll put like a split screen or some type of video showing you what it looks like in the dark. And so yeah, let me go ahead and take it out of these. I love when they're like shrink wrapped like this. Look at it, just puffs right up as soon as I let the air in. Okay, so again, super, super soft. And it's got the, look at the butterflies. So cute. So cute, you guys. So those are the butterflies. Let me stand up and show you how big it is. So it's a nice size, you guys. You can see the size of it. And I mean, this one is actually bigger than the blue one. Yeah, I think this one's bigger than the blue one. They do come in different sizes. I want to share that too. They do come in different sizes. So when you're checking out, make sure you get the size you want. And then, of course, the bigger size will be more money. But yeah, here it is with the butterfly. All right, then there is going to be a unicorn one, you guys. Yeah, a unicorn. This one is $7.77. Let me go ahead and show you guys that one now. Love the pink, love the unicorns. So, oh, this has castles on it? Oh, no, trees, like little unicorn trees. They're like little fairy-looking trees. Like, it's a storybook tree. They're so cute. Oh, my gosh. That is so cute. Okay, let me open this up fully to get the full size of it. But yeah, this is a nice, this is big. This is a tall one. This is really, really big, you guys. So again, these come in 4 different sizes actually. But yeah, this is so cute, you guys. I love this. So I want to share that with you as well. And on their website, it's getting really good ratings on these glow-in-the-dark blankets. Look at the fairy right there. There's a little fairy. I didn't notice that till now. Isn't that cute? And look at, again, the plush of it. The pile of it is really nice and soft. So really, really excited about these. Okay. So that's fun, right? As the next item, you can see it's lighted up from underneath me. I'm going to show you what it is in just a moment. It is a light box. So like a tracing type little device to help, like, you know, with tracing and that type of thing, artwork. Now it comes in this box. It came in this box, and it is $5.51, and it came with this cord. So I plugged it in, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it has three, it looks like 3 settings. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think it's 3 settings, and it has little holes in it, so you can see, you know, as you're tracing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 light settings. So 1. Let me take this plastic. It has like a film over it. This is like good ambient light for me, right? Like, okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's awesome for like tracing. I love that. So $5.51 for that is a pretty good deal, and it's very thin. The profile is very thin. I love this, you guys. Wow, that is so cool. And I love that it's, you know, it doesn't take batteries. It's called the Portable LED Light Pad. Brighten up your art crafts with the tracing light box. The next item I want to show you is this round stainless steel plate. It's like 3 sections to it. $3.68. And I love that it has little dividers. I love that it's stainless steel. Go ahead and show you. Look at the depth of it. So it'll hold a little bit, or actually quite a bit is what I'm trying to say. Like, see that? And then, yeah, isn't that nice? So $3.68. Great little, love that. Okay, next up is going to be this. This is really nice. So I have the price right here. This is a cow print hand towel, you guys. This is so cute. This is $2.38. And it comes in different sizes, so they actually have like bath towels in it. This is like the hand towel. It's so cute, you guys. Love this cow print. And the last, I think it was the last haul I did, I ordered the like the flower printed one that's in the same material, and I love using that in my kitchen for like you know, wiping my hands on. It is so cute and like retro looking, so I wanted to get the cow print. I thought that was so cute and fun. And here's a closer look at it. Again, it comes in like different sizes, so you can do like, you know, have them as like a decor in your bathroom and that type of thing. But it also has a little hanging hook there. So this is, again, $2.38. Super cute, super fun print. Next up is a water bottle. So this is $6.18. I have it right here. I've been wanting to get one of these, so definitely got it. And it's kind of a little like motivator to drink water. So it has different times of the day. It has little sayings on it. It does come in different colors, 1, 2, 3, like 4 or 5 different colors. Let me go ahead and open it. So, for example, it says right here, it says 9 p.m. all in day's work. So the last, like the end of the day, all in a day's work. So 7 a.m. rise and shine, 9 a.m. let's get started. 1 p.m. keep it up. 5 p.m. you can do this. And see how it's like ombre, orange into blue. That's why I chose this one. I thought this was really pretty. Okay, so it has, again, this little like protector thing to cover like the nozzle. And I like that it's a wide, so I could put a straw in there if I wanted, like a wide neck. And it opens, you just push this and it opens up. And there you go. So yeah, it has this like big neck right here. So I'm going to use it like a straw in there for me. And but there we go, you guys, check it out. Isn't that fun? And again, a great little motivator to keep track of how much water you're drinking. But yeah, this is great little thing to have for me. And is there a straw? I think there is a straw in here. There is a straw. There is a straw. There is. I don't know why I didn't think of that. There's some straw. There's straw in here. Yeah. So yeah, it has the straw right in here. I like heard something bouncing around in there. I'm like, what is that? All right, friends. So again, $6.18. That's it for that. That is an amazing deal. The next item I want to show you is so super cute, you guys. This rose teddy bear. I love this. I think it's so cute to like decorate with. I'll probably put it in my back shelf here. And I love roses, you know, so this makes me so happy. It comes in all different colors. I chose the pink. Here we go, you guys. Isn't that so cute? It says just for you on the ribbon. It almost reminds me of like topperwares. You know, like topperwares, like you can shape them into like animals and that type of thing. So it's almost got like this organic vibe to me. There's the skew on the bottom. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like without all the plastic here. Here's my scissors. Oh wow, that is so cute, you guys. So it has this like the foam flowers. These are like foam, and it's lightweight. It's like light as a feather. Isn't that so cute? That's so cute. Ah, I love this one. Okay, here's the side of it, the back of it. This would be a cute little birthday gift, you guys. Really cute. I mean, this is very unique. And again, it comes in a lot of different color choices for the roses. So yeah, $4.48. I mean, wow, right? That's so cute. I love it. I love it. Okay, friends, the next thing I want to show you is this really cool puzzle floor mat. So you can see it's like puzzle pieces, and it comes in different colors. This is $13.98. I chose the gray and camel. Okay, so they're going to click together, and I'll include a video of this on my floor once I put it together so you can see how big it is. But for under $14, this is really great. And like, I like that you can, like, you know how sometimes rugs can be really, really big and you have to roll them up and find a place to put this. This is like easy to like slide under your bed. It'd be, you know, great for like traveling around. Like even like, I would think like for an RV maybe, for like camping. Like there's a lot of uses for these. Picnicking even. I mean, seriously, because they're so portable, right? And, oh, they're soft too. Very nice. Okay, so let me see here. Let me show you the colors. Again, it's going to be like a checkered design. That's how the pattern goes. So they click in together, you guys, like this. Isn't that so cute? And they're going to be like a checkered pattern. So I love that too. I think that's adorable. Here's the color a little closer up. And then the gray. And then here's the thickness of it. So super comfortable too, you know, to like stand on. So that I'm happy about as well. So there is 12 right there. And again, all different patterns, or color options and that type of thing. I'll include a video somewhere in here so you can see what these look like on my floor all put together. All right, another thing I want to show you I got is this really cute silicone pot holder, you guys. It's like honeycomb. And this one also comes in different colors. This was $1.18 only. I mean, geez, that's so inexpensive for this. Let me go ahead and take it out and then show you. Oh yeah, that's awesome. So it even has a place where you can hang it on the wall if you want. But yeah, it is super, look at how nice this is. It's a nice weight to it too. But it is silicone, it has the honeycomb pattern in it, has a place to hang it on the wall right there if you want. So easy access to, you know, use it. Now again, it is $1.18. And so I think it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, several color options. So I want to show you that as well. But yeah, you guys, that is my Temu haul for today. Yes, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Again, I will include all of the information for the links and everything in my description box. Again, the code is SALE 49.59 sale, $49.59 for those new users out there. Again, I will show all of the videos of the blankets glowing in the dark for you guys to see what that looks like, and the mat to see the puzzle mat, how that looks all together on my floor. I'm excited to see that as well. But again, thank you guys so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe, and my returning family, a huge thank you so much for being here. With that being said, friends, have a beautiful day, and I'll see you all very, very soon, okay? So till next time, take care and God bless. I'll see you soon. Bye. See you soon.